Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today we are going to be analyzing a little bit what is happening regarding the Ethereum merge, what we should expect regarding that, what about the Bitcoin price action at the moment, and how this plays out currently at the 20,150 approximately, and the Ethereum at the 1,580, the moment that I'm actually describing. And of course, you guys gotta learn what I believe about the markets. We are going to be speaking a little bit mostly like a talk. We are going to be saying what we actually believe that is going to happen within the next few hours and the Ethereum merge that is coming right now. So of course, if you like the content of the video, don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications so you get this very nice fresh content we are sharing every time with you. It has been a while because we have been a little bit pressed with the job and everything that is happening with the academy. And we are back. We are going to be sharing more content now. And yeah, guys, many of you know what is happening regarding the Ethereum merge, and of course everything regarding that, and that finally the Ethereum is going to be fully deflationary, and we will not have any kind of production of Ethereum from now regarding to the proof of work. You will not be able to mine any. So what is this going to bring forth volatility in the market at this point? What are people expecting? So are we going to have a post dump or a post pump? So currently, as I said, 1,580 right now, the price of Ethereum at this point, we are expecting a high volatility most likely to happen. Now, where is this going and which side is going to be and which side the market is going to decide? You know, guys, that many times people are expecting the price will dump and then the price is pumping, and then they expect that the price will pump and then the price is dumping very much. So by checking a little bit the chart right now, I am watching that we could easily have a very nice pump at this point, because by taking the swing lows and the swing highs from the previous 13th of July actually to back to 14th of August 2022, we see, and I've mentioned many times, that the area between the 1,588 is very critical, guys, and of course the between the 1,511, there are the 2 points that I am checking from like the past few weeks. So I was checking from 20th of August actually, and I said many times, even though we reached all the way up to the 1,900, 2,000s, I said many times, guys, that do you know what, be careful, because what I see very soon happening is that we would find a corrective way to retrace back, and of course that's the area between the 0.618 levels and the 0.5. So this is what happened. I mean, like, you can see it also in the charts, and this was the critical area. We actually touched exactly the 0.5 again, and we retraced directly from there. Now we have a very critical situation where it says that the Ethereum can retrace all the way to what's the downside, okay, and leave approximately to the 900s. Yes, you heard correct. And this is coming from the Elliott sequence. So the Elliott is actually proving, with the methods that we also are teaching in the academy, that we could see a further price action to approximately 900s. Now this is not going to happen directly. So the first move that we are going to be also pointing is the fact that right now we are creating a pattern where is an ascending broadening wedge. So the ascending broadening wedge, as far as you know, is a bearish pattern. What is going to happen most likely is that we could see a further price action towards the downside. So if we are going to be breaking the 1,618 after we see a pump from now, okay, and this pump can literally take us all the way to the 1,900. So this is actually a very nice trade that you could also mention of taking. Of course, this is not a financial advice. You could easily see very good that after this is breaking towards the downside, the next stop could easily be the 1,480, where this is a critical area, and we are actually going to another low. So at this point, if we see another low, and of course this breaking all the way towards the downside to the 1,410, then the price target where I'm pointing it, of course, in the beginning is the 1,280, and after that all the way down to the 900s. This is what I'm pointing directly for the Ethereum price. So I see that we'll see a post pump most likely because many people believe that in many cases we see kind of dumps at this point. So before like the Bitcoin halving and before the Ethereum an event or anything like that. So I believe that we'll see a pump at this point, and then yes, the retrace could be very possible. So I actually bought some Ethereum the previous days, in most of the times like when the price was falling. So yeah, that's what mostly I see for the Ethereum happening today with this insane event that we have unfolding in the reality and also in the charts regarding the technology of Ethereum. So the volatility, of course, is pretty much imminent. Yes, we could see a further price action to whatever side. Now, regarding the Bitcoin price, currently at the 20,150, what I want to say, guys, is that I don't believe that Bitcoin right now is ready for a huge dump. So by the fractals and by what I see also for the Ethereum price, I would like to see Bitcoin for once more reaching approximately 24,800. So this is the level I'm pointing at first. So many people have been asking, because I have tweeted back some days ago, I'll be pointing like 5 days actually ago, that I see first 24,800 for the Bitcoin price and then 19, and now we have been reaching even 19.6 as far as I remember. Yes, is approximately 19.6 where we have been checking out happening the past hours. So people ask me, so you don't say that we could fall all the way down to the 19 right now? Listen, guys, I'm not the one that is moving the markets, but what I see with the chart and what is happening right now, we have been touching exactly the support level where I was actually pointing in many ways, and you can see also in my charts. And after that, I would like to see another pump to the approximately 24,800. Now, if this is not going to happen, of course, I'm here to observe the markets as a trader I am, and I'm not taking promises for what I'm doing. This is not financial advice, it's up to you, okay? So after that, I believe that we could see, yes, literally 19,000 is the next target if we are reaching the 24,800. But in case we break the 25,000, then the next level to watch is the approximately 27,800. This is the next level to watch, in my opinion. This is what I'm pointing now. Of course, guys, if you are liking what I'm saying and the targets that I am pointing right now for the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, it's good if you go just press this button. It takes literally nothing from your time. I hope you appreciate the content. I took the decision to speak in the camera today mostly, so I'm not showing any charts. I'm just telling you the price, guys. It's a little bit different the video today. I hope you like it. If you don't like it, you can just leave me the comment all the way down, and of course every opinion is acceptable. I'm gonna try to change if you guys don't like this kind of content. Just the first time I'm doing it as a trial, so we can see if you appreciate this kind of speech. So yeah, of course, guys, what I'm checking at this point is that this is the levels to watch. Of course, be careful at 22,700, guys. We will not just pump directly to the 24,800. I don't say that. Every market has kind of corrections, and of course you can see many things happening until we are reaching the price targets that we are pointing. Now, this is the big range, and of course, if I would like, I'm actually entering a long trade right now. As I said, I mentioned it actually yesterday night, and the trade that I'm taking is a long position on Bitcoin for sure, because I believe that we'll see further price action towards the upper side. Of course, if I'm gonna see the price action changing, I'm gonna try to mention it, guys, as well on the Twitter and our amazing Telegram group, guys. It's actually going mental. You can just go to the cryptominderacademy.com. You can find the pinned comment section down below, and of course you can go find the Telegram group, Telegram chat, and of course the Discord, where Audi and the rest of the team, they are pointing insane things, and we are showing you guys so many trades that you can actually also consider maybe of taking. This is not a financial advice. We are not actually doing anything to get paid for that. We just share content for free. If you guys, of course, want to join the Crypto Miner Academy and of course have insane instructors where they can take you from zero and take you all the way to the pro trading, This is something, of course, that we should be paid, because it's matter of time. We're spending a lot of time, a lot of effort for the content that we have been making, and we appreciate if you guys are going to also join all of our pages for free. This is for free, everything, all of our pages, Telegram group, Telegram chat, Discord, of course YouTube, Twitter, everything is for free. We don't ask any kind of money, and of course we are not gonna come in contact with you to ask for anything. Everything else that you will see as a contact is going to be a scam. So yes, that's all about us. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in the next one of CryptoMinder. Bye bye.